things. Yes, and I told you what is the vegetarian, what is the non-vegetarian, and we studied about the spices. Yes, we studied about the spices also. And one more thing we studied, the vegetables and fruits, how they affect us. Okay, they all affect us in the good manner, and we get it in the plenty of manner. Where we get the fruits, where we get the vegetables, we all know that. Okay, and vegetables and fruits are available in the occasional case. Available in the occasional case. Okay, we studied about that also. Okay, after knowing about the food, vegetables, fruits, that all things, the next step is transportation case. How we transport these all things. Okay, we studied about that all things. Yes? Yes, now? You all know that? Okay. What we studied? The food. Today we'll do the exercise. Okay. Today we'll do the exercise part. Okay, all of you open page number 212, children. What you will open? 212. Okay. Open it. Now we forgotten prayer. So we'll do the prayer. Okay. All of you close your eyes. Repeat after me. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकालेषु सर्वदा. Okay, now we'll start with the exercise, children. Okay, tick the correct answers for the correct statement. Tick correct answers for the correct statement. Okay, the first one, the Jawahar and the Johar and the Bajra are popular in which state? Which state it is? It is popular in Rajasthan. I told you it is popular in Rajasthan. Second one. Oranges are grown in Kerala, Nagpur, Himachal Pradesh. Where it is? Nagpur oranges. We heard about this word name Nagpur. It is popular in Nagpur. Okay. The third one. Kashmir is famous for what? Kashmir is famous for cherries, melons or bananas. It is famous for cherries. For what? Cardamom. Cardamom is a food grain, vegetable or spice. What it is? It is a food grain, vegetable or spice. It is cardamom is a spice. Spices it is. Ladakh is famous for apricot, mangoes, grape. For what it is? Ladakh is famous for apricot. It is famous for okay. It's famous for what, children? Apricot. The Ladakh is famous for apricot. Cardamom is one type of a spice. In Kashmir we get the cherries. In the oranges we grow in the Nagpur, and the jar and the bajra is found in where? It is popular in Rajasthan. Okay. Now the second main, that is fill in the blanks. Okay. They given a fill in the blanks. We have to just go on filling it. Okay. Dash in different parts of country eat different kinds of a food. Dash in different parts of country eat different kinds of a food. Which type of a food we eat? The different part. People in a different part of a country eat different types of a food. We all are different now. We all are not together. We all are staying together, but in the different states, different countries. We all have a different types of what? Changes in eating. We all eat different types of food. We all eat different types of foods, vegetables, yes, fruits. We all eat different types of food. Okay. Next one. Plenty of dash grown in north of India. Plenty of wheat. Plenty of wheat grown in those who live in dash areas eat lot of fishes. Coastal, near kadera. Yara? Coastal areas. Coastal areas. They eat too much of fishes and fishy items. Okay. Watery items. Dash is a spice. Cardamom, clove, ginger, turmeric, saffron. Anyone you can write. Okay, I will write any two. You can write anyone. Cardamom, clove, ginger, turmeric. This is also one type of a next one, coriander. I will write it here. Okay, these all are the spices. Next one, Dash is famous for pineapple. Which is famous for pineapple? Assam. Goa also famous for pineapple. Kerala also famous for pineapple. In the heat areas, we get what? Pineapples. Okay, these all are the first one. The tick correct answer. Tick correct answer. Second one, fill in the blanks. Only answers I wrote it on the board. Please copy it, children. Next one, we'll move on to the next one. That is, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay. Why is the people possible to grow? Why is it possible to grow a rice in northern plains? Why it is possible to grow the rice in the northern? It is possible to grow rice in the northern plains because the northern plains are very fertile. It is fully what? Fertile. Palavathathe. There we get too much of rice because that soil is too much fertile. There we can grow the rice easily. Okay, grow the rice easily. So we can, first one. Second one, why is the difference between the vegetarian and non-vegetarian? Vegetarian means which eats the vegetables. Non-vegetarian means they will eat the vegetables. With that they will eat the meat and the fishes also. Okay, understood? Why do people in the coastal areas eat plenty of fish? Because they get fishes easily. They get what? Fishes easily, and their occupation is fishing only. Our ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರ ಫಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಏನ ಮೀನನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದನ್ನ ಅವರದೇನಂತ ಕೆಲಸ. So they eat too much of fish items. Okay. Next one. How are people in the one part of a country able to eat vegetables grown in the other? People in the one part of our country are able to eat vegetables grown in another part because vegetables are transported by air, train and the road, where they are grown to places where they are not easily available. We can transport the vegetables, we can transport the fruits easily from one place to another place because they can be moved easily by the train, buses and the roadway. So we eat the different vegetables from the other country also. Next, turn the page number. Life skill. Open life skill. From two team A, B, one team speaks for the topic while the other team speaks for the other topic. Okay, you have to do the debate for that. Topic is expensive food and the healthy food. Which is good? Expensive food is good or the healthy food is good? We have to do the debate. Okay. Shall we do it? One day we'll do it, okay? Next one, values for life. Before any food items reaches your plate, many people work hard to grow it, transport it, store it, play for it, pay for it, cook it, then serve it to you. List the people you think are responsible for bringing your food to you. Who is the most important? First, farmer who grows the fruits. After that, who will come? The dealers will come. Who will come? The dealers will come. Okay. Dealers will come. After that, what? The contribution of the people and the who will come? Do you think it is alright to waste a food? Why and why not? Do the chat. Okay, who all will help you to regulate the food. Horse, you know that activity. The last one I will do. The name of the fruits is hidden in each of the following sentences. How quickly can you find them? The picture clues with help. Okay. Example: the man going down the lane in my uncle is my uncle. That is mango. Neither sadness nor anger will do you any good. Neither sadness nor anger will do you any good. Orange. Who is that? Orange. Turn off that tap, please. Turn off that tap, please. Which will that? Apple. The thief tried to escape arrest. The thief tried to escape. That is the pear. Pear. Okay. The pear also we can call it, or a pear also we can call it. Second one. Dals are a bodybuilding food. Yes, dals are a bodybuilding food. Pulses. Find out which of the following contain dals. Masala dosa. It contains dal. Yes. Upma. It contains. No. Idli contains. No. Upma also contains dal. Okay, upma also contains dal. Masala dosa also contains. Plain dosa also contains. And sambar also contains. Vada also contains. Uttappa also. And chapati. We get the dal. No. We don't have. Barfi. Yes, we get the dal. Jalebi. No, we don't have. Ice candy. We don't have. So the last one is the B one. Okay. Masala dosa contains the dal. Masala dosa. Plain dosa. Upma. Vada. Sambar. And barfi. And uttappa. And what? Only this many. These all contains the dal content, pulses. Next one, project work for you. The snack chart. Do you enjoy snacking between the meals? A snack is a light quick bite of food eaten between the regular meals. Different communities have different snacks. The Gujaratis, for instance, make a special dish called as a dokla. Make a chart by pasting picture of the snacks from the different states. Different states have a different types of a snacks. Like in the Gujarat, they eat the dokla for a snack. In our country, what is the snacks? Aulakki, upma, these all are the snacks. Chumoli. Like that, we have to see the different states have a different types of snack items. So collect that all things and make a chart. Okay, will you do it, children? Do it. Okay. In this chapter, whole chapter related to eating, which is good, which is bad, which will affect us, which will not affect us, how we get it, how we transport it. Yes, that all things we studied, children. Yes, understood what all we studied today, and we finished off the exercise part also. This I will send you the images, not by filling the blanks. That all things I will not send. Only the question and answers I will send you in the WhatsApp group. Okay, children? Meet you in the next class. Please understand, and please whatever homework teachers are giving, please complete it and send it. I don't want the unnecessary messages in your WhatsApp group. Please be prompt. Please do the work properly on time. Okay. And one more thing. Don't send good morning, good afternoon, good evening messages or images in WhatsApp group. Okay. I am not telling don't send in the academic case group. Okay, namdeni the school the one group. Okay, we all are being together. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ, ಓದ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಫನ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So only related to that will do it. Okay, don't want that unnecessary. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸಿಗೆ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, but don't do in this group. Okay, it will not look good if you do it. Okay, children, you all are good students now. You all are best students. We'll meet you in the next class, children. Bye.